Hello everybody, so today we will be doing a iPhone SE that was sent in to me from Scotland, Glasgow. And yeah, let's try and get the data. It's been water damaged, I don't know where it's been water damaged, but I'm just going to go through the process of this repair and let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get the data. Let's swing it here. Right, so here we have the amazing water damaged SE. It looks really terrible, as you can see here. A lot of corrosion around. This chip over here is for your NFC, Apple Pay, all these type of things. Ooh, it's not looking good here. This is our display chip. It's called Chestnut, and this is our backlight driver, which produces the backlight. This is our touch IC chips. This controls the touch on the phone. Looks like the water's hit this area here. So before we do anything, I just want to see where the damage is. Do a quick scan of the board. Okay. I can work on this area later. It doesn't look like the water's hit on top of the board, as you can see. It looks okay. So, our area of damage is here. But what is damaged? How can we tell? We're just going to plug this phone into the power supply, and I want to see what gets hot. Like, I can use a thermal camera, but the thermal camera doesn't go onto the recording. So, I will be using the old method, freeze spray. So we're gonna go ahead and plug in our power supply cable like so. I use the iPhone 7 one for the SE, same connector. Right. So our handy dandy freeze spray. So we're just gonna right. So now that is ice. We're going to see what gets hot. Nothing around the water damaged area. We should be seeing some type of heat. So nothing's gonna. To me, it looks like that one over there. Let's go ahead and let's just take a watch. Let's have a look, sit down, let's see. This isn't a very, very high short, like a main power rail short. Or something's not as badly damaged as a normal VCC main. VCC main is the main power rail. Let's just check this one again. Is that melting? We're drawing 1.5 amps, so we should be seeing something get hot. Question is, which ones? Yeah, to me, it looks like that one is the one. It's showing itself. It's getting hot around that area. Okay. Now that we've kind of seen what area that is at, we're going to bring out our multimeter, put it in diode mode, continuity, we're going to check. So we do have a short to ground on this cap here, but what does it do? Let's see if it's relevant to us. So on the board here, if we look, it's a C5321_RF, C5321_RF. It is a VCC main cap. Now VCC main is the main power rail. So if something's shorted on this line, it's going to prevent the phone from turning on. Right. So to me, it's looking like we're in the right direction right here. But it's probably not as badly damaged as we want it to be. Usually VCC main, when there's a full short, like a real cap that's really just gone haywire, it will show itself immediately. Let's go ahead and take off this cap. These are my new red tweezers. No, we don't even need heat. We don't even need heat. I'm not using heat. Just like that. Ooh. It looks bad underneath. Now to check if it is going to be the problem, a capacitor is not meant to be shorted to ground. So a capacitor that's turning into a filter will short the whole line to ground. So now what we're doing is we're checking for continuity, just like you check a fuse. As you can see, there's continuity. A capacitor must not have continuity. It's just out there to smoothen the lines. So, now that that's all, I'm just going to give it a quick rub. It's always important that you want to keep your eyes visible where the damage is, so you can always look around and check around. Right now we just need this phone to boot. If it's booted, then I can say, right, I possibly need to replace the NFC chip if I really want the phone to fully work again, but we'll have to see. We'll see what comes our way. So I'm just going to give this a nice brush, take my hot air, and just blast it through that stuff. So to me that's looking a lot cleaner than it was before. Now, let's check the VCC main diode reading. So we're getting around 300 in diode mode for VCC main. To me, that is fine. So let's get the phone out. How do we switch it to the phone? Let's put this phone back together. So we're just putting it back together. Enough noises coming on. Plug in this display, battery, and then if we plug in the charger, what do we get? 0.53, 0.25, Apple logo. Disconnect, and let's see if we can access the data. So this cap wasn't as brutal as normal VCC main caps. So usually VCC main caps will show themselves immediately, but sometimes you just gotta wait and see where it's actually melting, like you saw in the video. So let's just see if we can access this data. Yep, touch works, there we go. So I'm gonna get the code, we're gonna access the data, and that's it. Successful data recovery for Scotland. And yeah, if you want to send your phone in to me, you can see my website is logicboardrepair.london.com.
Not .london.
It's logicboardrepair.
.london.
Yeah.
Not
I said .london.com.
No, it's not .com.
.london. Anyways, you can check that there. And also follow me on Instagram, Federico Server. Thanks for watching.